It is another interesting edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you developments in the market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, August 29, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 27,425.57 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.342 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by minus 0.66%. The equities market dropped in its performance yesterday to the red zone as it returned back to the bearish mood. Continental Insurance, Africa Prudential and Forte Oil were top gainers, while UACN, Flour Mill and UAC Properties were among the top losers. Zenith Bank, WAPCO and Access Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMBQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.18 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 362 naira 39 kobo to a dollar, while the I&D FX rate opened at 362 naira 50 kobo and closed at 362 naira 61 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 720.34 basis points with a market capitalization of 517.52 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 77,890 and the value traded 3.281 million naira in 7 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displayed on the screen. Major highlights for the day. For the highlights from yesterday, the Federation Account Allocation Committee disbursed the sum of 679.7 billion naira to the 3 tiers of government in June 2019 from the revenue generated in May 2019. The amount disbursed comprised of 571.73 billion naira from the statutory account, 106.83 billion naira from value-added tax, and 1.41 billion naira exchange gain differences. Federal government received a total of 284.16 billion naira from the 679.70 billion naira. States received a total of 187.61 billion naira, while local government received 140.10 billion naira. The sum of 40.44 billion naira was shared among the oil-producing states as 13% derivation fund. Revenue-generating agencies such as Nigeria Customs Service, Federal Inland Revenue Service and Department of Petroleum Resources received 5.55 billion naira, 11.3 billion naira and 5.92 billion naira respectively as cost of revenue collections. From Zenith Bank, further to the publication of its audited financial statement for the half-year ended 30th June 2019 on August 19, whereby the Board of Directors declared an interim dividend of 30 kobo per share with a closure date of 30th August and payment date of 2nd September, the bank wishes to notify the Nigerian Stock Exchange and the investing public that the payment date for the dividend has been changed to Wednesday, September 4th. This change was necessitated by the need to ensure that all transactions executed on the qualification date of 29th August have been settled and all eligible shareholders are determined. Key market and economic events to watch. For key economic events to watch today, First Bank Nigeria, a subsidiary of FBN Holdings, will host its 2019 edition of the Agric Expo that will discuss the theme Agricultural Value Chain, Spotlighting Opportunities and Managing Risk, and will have as keynote speaker the President of the Africa Export-Import Bank, Afrexim, Dr. Benedict Orama. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a lovely day.